You know what breaks my heart more than anything else? Looking a person in the eyes whose dream has died. And it's like they've given up on life. They think their best days are behind them. I hate being around people like that because I feel like the life is being sucked out of me. I will not let my dreams die. And I have a dream to make this film, The Hipster and the Cat. And I will not let this dream die like that buffalo on the wall there. That is not my future. And you know what? That's not your future either. So, what I have to do to keep the dream alive is I have to take time out just to get myself away from negative influences, away from my own doubts, and then just come away and just start dreaming again. And that's why I came here to the Colorado Rockies, so I can look out at the aspen trees and Pikes Peak out there, and I can just dream again. You know, if you're at a place right now where you're kind of losing your dream, I recommend two things. One, either come out here to Colorado, look at the Rockies, just breathe that mountain air. Or if you can't do that, get a mountain landscape on your screensaver and just look at the screen and just breathe your cubicle office air, but just dream again. And help me make my dream come true by giving to the Hipster and the Cat. Don't let me become like that buffalo.